Good morning. Still in Murphy. We are headed towards Tennessee. We're gonna go to a place called Rock City and Ruby Falls. It's like an underground waterfall, so we're gonna go check it out.
Pretty far drive, and then each activity takes a couple hours. So I guess the first place, it's the first time up there, but they'll give you a walk. They have a kennel there that's free, so we're gonna put the dogs in the kennel. And then the second attraction lets you bring your dogs, so we're gonna take them for a walk and at least get them out of the house. So hopefully they behave. You gonna behave?
It's been raining the last few days in Murphy, and we didn't get a chance to take the dogs outdoors to play, so we thought it was a good idea to bring them out on this trip. At least we thought so.
Going to Ruby Falls. I think we're heading to the elevator now to go down. I don't know if it's considered a shaft. Is it a shaft?
Yeah. Within 2 hours and change, we got to Ruby City, where we got a chance to explore an underground cave that has a trail leading you to an underground waterfall. The most beautiful thing we've ever seen. I don't want.
So your photos, if you guys are interested, and you guys all have a wonderful day. Hey, you too now.
Pretty cool. I don't think I would do it again, but it was worth coming. It's like a one-time thing that you should come do if you're in this area for sure.
Why is that?
Well, I don't know. I personally never been underneath like any cave, so that was pretty cool to see. And the waterfall is really pretty.
Yeah.
So it was cool. It would have been cool if we didn't have to wear masks, but I understand the time we're in. And now I'm very hungry and I need a beer. So we're gonna go to downtown Chatanooga and check it out, and then we might have to come back this way because we're gonna go to the other attraction they have here, Rock City. The boys are chilling up there somewhere.
Ruby Falls has a kennel, and it sucks to hear the boys bark. It's not a good feeling when you hear your dog barking in, not necessarily in your care. Yeah, but we'll come back.
A place called the Feed Tavern, I think is what it's called. We're getting a very yummy lunch. We just ordered some special, I think it's like green chili hummus, and I got a chicken sandwich, and Derek got brisket, and we're waiting for our beers. I'm pretty excited. Took a fried chicken sandwich with special pickles, and I think it's got Tennessee hot sauce on it. It's fucking hot.
Yeah.
and some Brussels sprouts.
I ordered a brisket sandwich with greens.
Pretty good?
Yes, I love the greens.
Better than everyone else's?
Yes. We're back here about to go pick up the boys. I don't hear them barking.
Should have brought her swimming shorts.
What?
I feel like going swimming after this.
Where?
I don't know. One of those sinkholes.
Okay, keep talking.
We picked up the boys from Ruby City. They still had a lot more energy in them, and it became very difficult for both of us to hang out with them, but we pushed through.
So we made it to, I don't know if this is the top or what, but we're at Rock City and we're at this part that's called See the 7 States. And basically you're supposed to be able to see 7 different states if you look all around here. It's pretty cool, it's a nice view. I wonder what it would look like if it wasn't foggy out.
I know.
It's kind of overcast today, but it's been a nice little hike and the boys are finally starting to calm down, so. That is Lover's Leap. Apparently, lovers leap over into the water together. Yeah. I'm just kidding. Yeah, it's a pretty cool waterfall. We're waiting our turn. I think there's more than one spot over there. What you got there, babe?
Dog poop.
Some fresh food?
Mm-hmm.
You gonna bring it home for the garden?
I should have left here for the garden.
Cal, hurry!
Again?
This is Cal's favorite pastime.
What is it?
Nothing.
After we left Rock City, we found a winery on our way, so we decided we're gonna go have a glass before we head back home.
Another day, another bad mood. Something he said that pushed me over the limit. Beyond my limits. Another sweet.
Alright, we just got done with a glass of wine and we're gonna head back to Murphy. It's about an hour away, an hour and change.
This is a cool spot. It's pretty with the mountains behind us. I wish I could think of what that grape is called. It starts with an M. It's like a special... It's like a special grape to this area, but like Montague? Montague, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a Montague grape. I don't know if anyone else has ever had it, but they put it in a lot of the wines here, and it makes them kind of like semi-sweet. It gives them like a, I don't know, they're a weird taste, but they're not like Florida wine. Florida wine's like tart. So, it's pretty good.
Alright, we'll go back home. We're about to go into Murphy downtown and just relax a little.
Yeah.
Huh?
The dogs are a buzzkill, and after that leaving them.
Yeah. Anyway, so we're gonna go.
What? So we've been home for a while now. We tried to go to downtown Murphy to the brewery that we like, but apparently because of all the coronavirus stuff, it hasn't reopened, so that was kind of a letdown. So we've just been here having a few drinks, watching some YouTube. Boys are ready to sleep. Finally. And we're gonna get some sleep because we have a long day tomorrow. Right, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Are you excited for our day tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll tell them what we're doing tomorrow morning. It'll be a surprise. Peace out.